Hello, how are you? I'm making this video because I miss my alaga, Misha Al-Nafisa. I really miss you because one of my, Ate Rose is told me that you want me to come back for you in your home, but I have my other work now. I'm here in other country, but I am really miss you. I really miss you. So I hope you are big now. Yeah, you are big now, and I hope you go to school every day. I know you are so very bright kind of student. You know, you are know how to speak English than me. And then I hope you eat your food, you finish your food, and I hope you are be a good girl, you know. And I miss you so much, really miss you. And I hope you finish your study and you get your professional. I hope one day we meet again. And I hope, and I want you to know and I hope you know the song, Bahay Kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. You know, you remember this one? Singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani, kundol, patula, upot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pa si Misu na. You know this one? I really miss you. I hope you see this video, and you know before when I am teaching you to sing this song Bahay Kubo, you said, Mia, sing this song, Mia. Bahay Tubo, ait oti. And then you said we are talking with Lisa. You said, ano ba yan? You remember that one, Mishu? Okay. I hope someday we meet again.